This will be a quick training video on how to create blog posts. From the dashboard, simply go to Posts, Add New. Give it a new blog title. Give it some content. Set the category where you wish to display the post. Set a featured image. You can either choose something from the media library, or you can click on Upload Files at the top, select Files, and upload something that you have on your computer. For this example, I will just pick something at random in the media library. There's two options for displaying blog posts. You can either display them on your blog, or you can use them strictly just for newsletters. To do this is to click on Visibility, Edit, and change it to Private, hitting on the OK button. This will now only be visible for newsletters. Once you're done, click on Update. And that's it.